Welcome back to the channel. So guys, what if I told you that a simple glass of turmeric water every morning could be the key to your healthier life? So this ancient golden spice often found in kitchens holds secrets that modern science is now also backing up. From boosting your immune system to protecting your heart, turmeric water has benefits that are hard to ignore. So, in today's video, we will deep dive into the science backed reasons why you should start drinking turmeric water every morning. So, before that, just explore the turmeric benefits. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, especially in Ayurveda and Chinese medicine. But now, research studies are shining a light on its impressive benefits. Let's break down why drinking turmeric water could be one of the best habits to add to your morning routine. So, first benefit is it is a anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many diseases, and from heart disease to arthritis. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that curcumin is just as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. So, drinking turmeric water helps combat everyday inflammation, keeping your body healthier and reducing the risk of inflammation related conditions. So, second benefit is it boosts your immune system. Starting your day with turmeric water in every morning can give your immune system a natural boost. Curcumin has been shown to enhance the body's immune response, according to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Immunology. With antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, turmeric is like a shield protecting your body from common infections, especially during cold and flu season. So, third benefit is it aids digestion to your body. Turmeric is also great for your digestive system. It simulates bile production, which helps your body digest fats more efficiently. According to a research from Molecular Nutrition and Food Research, curcumin has shown promise in reducing symptoms of bloating, gas, and indigestion. Drinking turmeric water first thing in the morning can give your digestive system the kickstart it needs for the rest of the day. So, fourth benefit is it promotes heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of deaths worldwide, but turmeric water could help keep your heart healthy. A study in pyotherapy research revealed that curcumin improves endothelial function, which is vital for regulating blood pressure and also reducing the risk of heart disease. So, drinking turmeric water every morning might just be a small but powerful way to protect your heart. Fifth is it's a natural detox food. Your liver works hard to detoxify your body, and turmeric can help with it function more efficiently. Studies have shown that the curcumin enhances liver function by increasing the production of important detoxifying enzymes. This means turmeric water helps your body flush out toxins and prevents fat from accumulating in the liver. So, if you are looking for a natural detox, this golden drink could be your answer. Sixth benefit is it supports weight loss. So, if you are trying to lose the belly fat, yes, turmeric water can help with your weight loss. Curcumin has been found to regulate metabolism and also improve fat burning. So, according to a study published in the European Journal of Nutrition, drinking turmeric water in the morning helps reduce inflammation, which is often linked to weight gain and supports the body's fat burning process. So, seventh and last benefit is improving skin health. So, it's the last but not least, turmeric water can give your skin a natural glow. Curcumin has antioxidant properties that help fight off free radicals, which can cause skin aging and the damage. According to a study in Biofactors, curcumin promotes collagen production and enhances skin elasticity, making your skin look youthful and radiant. A daily glass of turmeric water can help you glow from the inside and out. So, guys, that's it for today. We have seen 7 incredible reasons to make turmeric water part of your daily routine. From fighting inflammation to boosting your heart health, the benefits are too good to pass up. So, why not start it from today? It's easy, natural, and backed by the research. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such amazing health tips and wellness advice. So until then, stay healthy, take care, and I will see you in the next video.